Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study how to use the Pivotby function of Microsoft Excel. So here you can see that I have a sheet in which I have the field names like salesperson name, product name, the region, the customer name, the date on which the sale happened, the item sold, and the total amount. Now I can make a pivot report using the pivot table command, which would be like this. I have the name of the salesperson, I have the region name in the column heading, and the sum of items sold in the center. Now this is done using the pivot table feature of AutoCAD. Let me show you how you can do it using the new pivot by function of Microsoft Excel. So I come to the new location and over here I type the command equal to pivot by and then give open bracket. Now it is asking me to specify the row fields. So I want to specify the salesperson name. So I click on the first salesperson and press Ctrl Shift and down arrow to select this entire column. Then I give a comma. Now it is asking me to specify the column fields. So I click on the region and again press Ctrl Shift and down arrow. Then I give a comma. Now it is asking me the values field. So I click on the items column and again press Ctrl Shift and down arrow. Then I give a comma and finally I want the sum, so I click on sum, close bracket and hit enter. So I get a report which matches exactly with the pivot report. Now here you notice that we have a person whose name is Moss Dave, and just watch that in the pivot table for Moss Dave the total is 1001. And in our pivot by also the total is 101. Now if I go over here in the first row for Moss Dave and change the items to 15 and hit enter, just watch this number. So hit enter, so you will see it gets instantly updated in the pivot by command but doesn't get updated inside the pivot table. This would get updated only when you refresh the pivot table. So this is one of the major advantage of the pivot by command of Microsoft Excel. So friends, with this we end this video tutorial. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.